So this is Ankur Savle from Finance. I done my engineering from Mumbai. I was from the iconic batch of 2020, and as they all are saying it now, the COVID-19 batch. So I have really focused on all the entertainment mediums I can gather, and like two of the major part of my schedule will be, one is of course binge watching like series, movies, anything, and then second one would be reading because I love reading, and then Dan Brown is my all-time favorite author, and I'm currently watching Castle Rock and Hannibal. So you guys should watch it. Talking about certifications, the only name I can come across is Ujjwala Bairagi ma'am, because she's obsessing over it that you guys should do it. It is very much important for your further studies and your job opportunities. And at that time I was like, but then I got the job in Future Markets. So I actually got the hint of it that certifications are really important, but because luckily I did my first certification in research as a research analyst from NISM, so that really helped me a lot for the job interviews as well as for the job. So I feel my summer internship was pretty cool because I had this amazing college mentor Ujjwala Bairagi ma'am, and my company guide was also very helpful. So it was pretty nice experience, and I did my internship for Mahindra and Mahindra. Just one thing which I'm gonna say is it really gives you a direction for your job, so go for it. And secondly, you guys have to start making all the documents because last minute it will be too much chaos. Since I got placed in Future Market Insights in December, and from February my job started, and the package was 4.86 lakhs per annum, and the location was Baner, Pune. So if you see the economy right now, of course it is deteriorating because of the whole lockdown and so many things are happening right now. But for the long term, I'll say, I don't know, call me an optimist, but I can see India really growing fast, and so many companies are coming in and manufacturing units are coming in. So that way it is, I think it will be really good for us. Also, I don't know, but if you're very strong on LinkedIn or this some of the websites, then I'm still getting some opportunities over there. So I don't think so there are that less opportunities currently. See, I genuinely don't think I have very different plans, because most of my friends, I just want to go out, a trek or trip, whatever. I just want to go out to be it Lonavala for only 2 days. I just really want to go out. So hands down, it's gonna be this focusing on oneself and really looking into it and just see what really matters, what doesn't matter. And I feel if you'll see in my case, I just have said that I love to read, so I just starting reading all these books which I have bought so many years back. So it's a good feeling. So I'm just gonna say that focus on what matters, what doesn't, and just prioritize your work. That's all. First of all, I got to know this Ghar Ka Kaam is you need a dedication for that, and I'm really lousy in that. Just kudos to all the parents, especially all the moms out there. And then the other thing is, you just need to sit with them and talk to them, just communicate, because whenever very famous personalities are saying communication is a key of so many things, trust me, they really aren't kidding. So just do that. So yeah, I'm basically from Mumbai, and that's why I wanted to, go out of the city, explore, and that's why I chose Pune city because it is really nearby. and that's how I got into this MIT college. After getting into MIT, I'm like, I also chose this college because I just saw the good crowd, and I just heard that academics are really good over here. So these two were like really, tick points for me. And then after that, if I'll say my experiences academic wise, it was like pretty funny. All the teachers were like helpful, but like you need to just talk to them. I can't tell you so many things because it will be like too much, but then I'm just gonna say this: talk to every teacher because it is fun. And I'm not saying like I was never a teacher's pet. It is just like communicate normally. They are really helpful as well as they are very knowledgeable. So it is just too much fun. About friends, I'm gonna say I had a pretty cool group. We used to go out. We used to go out for some places, and every alternate days we had a lot of fun. And you can make a lot of memories in college too, because the corridor or the basement, which were like key areas for us, we used to talk over there a lot. And then the lemon tea stand in front of the like near the Durga, these were like those were the coolest times, I'll say, for my college. And apart from that, you like, of course you have to study. All our group was like everyone was having around more than 70% for every trimester, but at the same time we used to go a lot. So that is the life. You have to have a balanced life. You have to go out, roam, like do a lot of crazy stuff, because it's just like I can't tell you on this video because I don't know how many people are gonna watch it and what they're gonna get out of it. So I don't want to get into any trouble, but I'm just gonna say it is hilarious. These 2 years were amazing, and hope like you have 1 year, so make a best of it. My advice would be, grab all the opportunities you can, be it any festival, be it any competition, you have to go for it, because like do participate, because it builds a character, it builds a personality, and you can interact with more number of people. And just have fun, because it's gonna be like last year of you being a student. So I think like you don't wanna just study. Of course you have to study, but then entertain yourself, like go for co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities and all. So and being a student is amazing. I can clinch on it entire my life. So like you should do that. You should have all the fun. So first of all, I'm gonna just say this: be safe. Because like if you're showing any symptoms, quarantine yourself and get treatment. It's very easy to get treatment. Don't go driving and riding into the containment zones. Apart from that, as I have already told you in my advice, just conquer it all. Have fun, just like be cool, chill about it.